How do I compare HVAC repair quotes fairly? Compare quotes by checking that each one covers the same work, equipment, materials, warranty, labor, and total price. First, ask every heating, ventilation, and air conditioning company to inspect the same problem before giving a quote. A fair quote should clearly name the failed part, explain why it failed, and describe the exact repair. Check whether the price includes labor, replacement parts, disposal of old equipment, permits, taxes, and follow-up service. Make sure each company is pricing the same quality of part, because a cheap standard motor and a higher quality variable speed motor are not equal choices. Look at the warranty for both the part and the labor, and ask who handles repairs if the new part fails. A useful detail many homeowners miss is checking whether the proposed repair matches the age and condition of the system. Repairing an old unit may cost less today but may not be wise if other major parts are near failure. Ask whether the company charges a diagnostic fee and find out if that fee is credited toward the repair. Before choosing, request a written, itemized quote and compare the total cost, expected lifespan, timing, and risks rather than choosing the lowest number. One common mistake is comparing only the final price, so compare identical work and materials instead. Another is accepting a vague description such as "fix the system," so ask for the exact part, model, labor, and warranty in writing. Be careful if a technician pressures you to decide immediately, because a trustworthy contractor should explain choices without using fear. Also, do not assume a new system is automatically better than a repair. Ask for the repair cost, expected remaining life, energy savings, and replacement costs side by side. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.